In complex manufacturing, data often gets stuck in separate areas like design, quality, and the supply chain. Take this welded bracket, for example. It's a key structural part with very precise requirements, making both inspection and production more challenging. To streamline the process, there's a need for instant connection between design and as-built quality. However, the current system is bogged down by long reviews, constant back and forth, and endless revisions, all without a single reliable source of truth. At the Connecticut Center for Advanced Technology, or CCAT, Principal Engineer Nasir Manan experiences these problems firsthand.
Data silos throughout the product lifecycle affect the cost, time to market, and product quality. What's needed is an enterprise-wide characteristic management using model-based definition and the ISO standard QIF.
Enter Capvidia's MBD solutions. In this case, a creo-parametric MBD model includes all crucial data, the geometry, quality requirements, and more, ready for downstream automation. With Capvidia's MBD video software, we assign balloon numbers to characterize the part and publish these to Windchill. This makes the same build characteristics accessible enterprise-wide with QIF and Windchill PLM. For inspection, we load the QIF MBD into PolyWorks Inspector, maintaining the traceability of characteristics IDs, and stream results to PolyWorks Data Loop for archive and analysis. This setup allows tracking, viewing, and analyzing design and manufacturing information throughout the entire product lifecycle. Windchill users can access the bill of characteristics and data loop, viewing the as-designed and as-built bill of characteristics. Thanks to the ISO QIF management, any analysis tool like MBD Video can instantly correlate data from different sources, whether it's pulling CAD nominal information from the PLM or the as-built product information from data loop.
With advanced tools from Capvidia, PTC, and PolyWorks, we achieve interoperability from design all the way to delivery. Using MBD and QIF, we're building a true digital thread that enables automation, ensures interoperability, and eliminates human error. The result? Manufacturing that's better, faster, and more cost-effective.
Capvidia and PolyWorks, empowering automation, interoperability, and machine readability to transform your enterprise from design to delivery. True MBD.